Wait, wait, just wait. That's what we're working with today. Wait. We're going to convert different weights. All right? I hope you're as excited as I am. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. If I had a sombrero, I'd be wearing it right now, but I don't have a sombrero. All right. Let's share the old screen, Rooney. And let's jump into some math, shall we? All right, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, we're going to work on the metric system. I want to keep the metric system fresh because we didn't spend that much time on it. So like today we're working on weight. So we'll rock the metric system. And then we'll look at how we measure weight here in America with the customary system. And then we'll end with the word problem. And that'll be all. So metric system. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. You have to remember that. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, and it will help you out so much. So we have 50 grams. We're going to kilograms. So we have grams here. We're going to go left. 1, 2, 3. So here is the decimal, right? There's an invisible decimal there. And if we're going to move it left 1, 2, 3 spots, whoa, it turns into 0.05 or 0.050, right? So 0.05. So it was 50, it turned into 0.05 kilograms. Let's go to 18 kilograms to milligrams. So we have kilo, we have milli. Ooh, we are going all the way across the board. So we are going right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to make it a lot larger because milligrams are such a teeny tiny thing. So when I go right here, I still have 5 more to go. So I am going to go ahead and put 1, 8, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put my commas in. A lot of milligrams. So it is 18,500,000 milligrams. And then going from milligrams to grams left 1, 2, 3. The decimals here left 1, 2, 3. So if you're converting, it's 0.2 grams. All right. So, and if you know, if you're a little confused right now, maybe I should have reminded you again. The blue box is what I'm expecting you to do. Just I changed it a tiny bit so you can kind of see the way that I go about answering these questions. Down here, this is today's work that you are going to work on. All right. So we have 3 pounds is equal to how many ounces? Okay, so we have pounds, ounces, and tons. We use the unit of a ton when we measure very heavy things like cars and trucks, things like that. We use pounds when we measure things in the middle, like human beings, right? Some types of food that you get, you work with pounds. Now, if it's a food that doesn't weigh a lot, then you're not going to waste your time with pounds. You're going to go with ounces. Okay. Now it's weird because ounces, you could have fluid ounces, which measures capacity. But this is, we're talking about weight. So ounces are also a type of weight measurement. It takes every 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound, and every 2,000 pounds is equal to a ton. So if I told you every 16 ounces is 3 pounds, well, what if I have 3 pounds? Well, that's 16, 16, and 16. So 16 times 2 is 32, plus another 16, 48 ounces. If 2,000 pounds is a ton, I'm taking out as many 2000s as I can from 4,000, and it's a whole number, so that answer is 2 tons. And then 16 ounces is a pound. So how many 16s are in 32? 1632. 2. So what we're doing there on those, we're dividing. So if it's not perfect, let's say it was 33 ounces. Let me just change this example and say it was 33. And instead of saying 2 pounds, you have 2 and 1/16 of a pound. Okay, because 2 pounds is 32 ounces, and then you have 1 left over, 1/16 of a pound. Okay, it's kind of like saying 2 remainder 1. Well, it takes 16, so your denominator is just 16. At a garden center, grass seed sells for $5 a pound. Bob spent $11. What amount of seed did he buy? Well, there's 2 things we could do here. We could either turn it into ounces, or we could just put it in a fraction. I like the fraction answer. It doesn't tell us we have to put it in ounces. So every $5 is a pound. So you've spent $11. So you had just more than 2 pounds, because $5, $10. Okay. So I'm putting 2 pounds. Then how many? Well, you have another $1, right? But it costs $5 for a pound. So therefore, you got 1/5 of a pound, right? If every $5 you spend a whole pound and you get $1 more, then you have 1/5 of a pound, because you have 1 out of the $5 it costs to get another pound. So our measurement for weight, 16 ounces is a pound, 1/16 of a pound is an ounce, and 2,000 pounds is a ton. I'm thinking this is pretty straightforward. You might have a little bit of difficulty just because we barely talked about it. Do your best, and if you have any questions, please email me. I'll be happy to help you out. And these are the questions today. And so someone asked me a really important question the other day. My son did. He said, "Dad," well, you know the question he asked me. So I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon, and I'm going to let you know. All right.